Hello guys, this is Carolina Rosa. I bring you a new tutorial that's gonna help you when you dance in partner work, in couple. Sometimes you know that for traditional bachata we need to do freestyle. Yes, so I'm going to give you some tricks. For example, when we put our hands like this, we start with the basic 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means freestyle. You do in here whatever you want, the same with one hand or the other, right or left. Yes, so when we put our hands here, I always recommend you to do a basic in place to start and get the traditional flow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can start doing some footwork. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And now toe, heel, change the weight and heel. And now twice the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7 in place. Move the hips. 2, 3 and heel. Toe, heel, change the weight, then heel. Now the same. 2, 3, 4. I can also add another heel. And now we will do 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time. So in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, change the weight, then heel twice. 1, 2, 3. Heel again. And now 𝗘𝗍𝗍𝗿. Tiki, tiki, ta, tap. Yes, this one is like step, 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 and tap. 5 and 6 and change the weight, then tap. 1 and 2 and change the weight, then tap. 5 and 6 and come back and tap. One more time from the beginning. My basic is the box step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Put the hand up and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Only heel. 1, 2, 3 and now 5 and 6 and 7. Tap. Now the same with the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and basic. When you see we're putting the hand down, go back, 5, 6, 7, 8. For example, yes? 5, 6, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, here we go. 5, 6, hand up. And hip, hip, hip. And toe, heel, change the weight again. Twice. And tiki, tiki, change the weight the left. 1 and 2 and 3. Finishing. Go with the basic, moving the hips, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it facing this way. Imagine that I'm the follower now, yes? So I have my partner here dancing with me, and I'll do the same. 1, 2, 3, starting to the right. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, heel. 5, 6, 7, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, 6, 7, and basic 2, and 5, 6, 7. Let's try with music. If you're looking for dance classes in VdanceClub, we have all that you need. Salsa, bachata, kizomba, and sub-classes in high quality with the best instructors. So, in the description, you will find the link. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ready? We start in place. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Tiki, tiki, change. Tiki, tiki, change. And basic 6, 7, 8. 1, 5. 1. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. And tiki, tiki, ta. Tiki, tiki, ta. In place. And basic. Okay, I do it as a follower. 1, 5. To the right. Let's go. 1, 5, 6. And tiki, tiki, ta. Tiki, tiki, ta. And down. 6, 7, 8. 1, 5. 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Move the hips. Move the hips. In place. 1, Okay, that was all. I hope you like it and you practice in the socials, in the party, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe. To have access to all my classes, click on the link below, and also if you liked more videos like this, leave your comment.